Hi guys, in this section we are going to discuss operators in Java. Let's start it now. Operators in Java are arithmetic operator, logical operator, relational operator, assignment operator, bitwise operator, shift operator and unary operator. Let's see one by one now. Arithmetic operators are nothing but addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Relational operator and logical operators in Java are used for checking the conditions whether true or false. So for that we have to use greater than, lesser than, greater than or equal to, lesser than or equal to, double equal to and not equal to. Logical operators are AND operator and OR operator. So these two operators are used for checking the conditions in Java. Let's see one example on this. So first example we are going to see it on arithmetic operator. That's your addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, right? So let me first understand what is the use of plus operator in Java. So a plus operator is used for two most important things. One is for adding numbers and second use is for concat. So concat is like joining some group of words with numbers. You can you can join some group of words, sorry, not numbers, sorry, a group of words with numbers. So numbers with group of words. So you can do, for example, if you want to print saying that value of A is 100, value of B is 200. So if you want to print some statements along with number, in that case, your plus operator will be very helpful for us. Let's see one simple example on this. So I'm going to give my class name as add. So let me declare a variable now, a comma b comma c comma d. So this we called it as your variable declaration in Java. So what is variable declaration and initialization? If you want to understand, go and check my previous video. So let me initialize this as a is equal to 1000 and b is equal to 2000, c is equal to 3000 and d is equal to 4000. Okay, so let me add all this number. System dot out dot println a plus b plus c plus d. Then I'm going to say the value of a is 1000, value of b is 2000. For that I'm going to do concat over here. So whenever you want to print some group of words, that should be enclosed with double quotes. So the value of a is plus, so all your group of words, in that group of words you can use any special characters also, but that should be enclosed with double quotes, plus a. So in this scenario it is going to print me the value of a is 1000. So let me save this program now. Add.java. So let me open my command prompt. So I saved my program in D and CodeJava folder. So let me change my partition now. CD CodeJava. So now I'll call my compiler to check my program. So javac add.java. No error, perfect. Now we can call our JVM to check the code. So first it is printing me a plus b plus c plus d. It is giving me 10,000. And next scenario it is giving me value of a is 1000. So a plus operator in Java is used for adding some group of numbers and used for combining some group of words along with numbers. So let's see one more thing. System dot out dot println addition of two numbers are plus, I'm going to say a plus b. So let's see what it is going to give me the output now. Let me save this program. No error. Okay, so when I say first it is printing me 10,000, next a value of a is 1000, addition of two numbers are 1000, 2000, it is printing it off. So it is not calculating the value. Why it is not calculating the value over here? So addition of two numbers are plus it is concatenating a value 1000. After this it is combining the b value. So it is not calculating the a plus b value. The reason is all your arithmetic operators here, multiplication, division, modulus, addition, subtraction, all your operators will do calculation from left to right, right? This is one of the reason your values are not printing the a plus b. Another reason what I can say is when it is printing addition of two number, when I say plus, what your compiler is doing is a compiler is combining a value and then combining the b value. If I want to give the first priority to calculate this a plus b value, then I have to follow a rule called BODMAS. So we know what is BODMAS, right? B for bracket, O for power of, D for division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So a first priority will be giving to bracket. Now let's see whether it is printing me 3000 as a output. Perfect. First 10,000, 1000 and addition of two numbers are 3000. So your compiler is kind of confusion whether need to calculate or not to calculate. So instead of calculating, what your compiler is doing is when I don't enclose the bracket, it is just printing me 1000 and 2000. So when I enclose with brackets, so a compiler will first go and do the calculation and then it will print addition of two numbers are 3000. Now let me see one more example on the system dot out dot println a plus b numbers are. Let's see whether it is working or not. Let me save this program. So first is 10,000, the value of A is 1000, addition of two numbers are 3000 and 3000 numbers are. So all your arithmetic operators will do calculation from left to right. Previously when I don't mention bracket over here, a plus operator is combining the A and B value. If compiler want to give first priority to this, then we have to do a rule called BODMAS rule. Let's see for subtraction, multiplication and everything. System dot out dot println. So let me see a minus b plus d plus numbers have. Let's see whether it is working or not. So a minus b plus d also it is giving me 3000. So 1000 minus 2000 it is going to give us minus 1000 plus 4000. So it is going to give 3000. Yes, exactly correct. So let's see, let's do calculation on our right hand side. I'm going to say a into b. Let's see whether it is working or not. Perfect, no error. Perfect. A into B it is giving me the calculation is 1000 into 2000 it is giving me 20,000. In this scenario when I don't give an bracket over here, it's just combining the value. But then how it is printing me the value over here is I told you there are two reasons over here. The first reason I told you if your compiler want to calculate this then we have to give BODMAS rule. and then the calculation will always happen from left to right. So here in this scenario, I have not used plus operator. When I use plus operator, only your compiler will do the concat operation. When I don't mention plus operator in that scenario, it will not do the concat scenario. For example, when I give slash over here, C0. So only for your plus operator, your compiler is kind of doubt whether need to combine the value or whether need to add the value. If we want to add the value when we use plus operator, in that scenario we have to go for a BODMAS rule. Other for subtraction multiplication, we don't want to follow the BODMAS rule. So this is how your arithmetic operators will work, and your plus operator is used for two most important things in Java. One is for calculating some group of numbers and for combining some group of numbers with some group of words or group of words with group of numbers. In my next video, we will be discussing about logical operators and relational operators. Thank you guys.